Hi guys, started editing the video for Friday, which is the build of Helmet Head's monkey bike, and I realised, exciting times. This Friday's video would be, or will be, the 100th video that I've put on my channel. So I thought to myself, I need to do something. Ooh. So what I've done, I've put something together. I was doing it till 4 o'clock this morning, so I hope you don't think it's too long or a bit boring. But I thought rather than doing a normal video, I'd do something a little bit special because it's my 100th video. And thanks to all of you guys for supporting, commenting. There's loads of super thanks that people have done, but without going through on the thing on my phone, I can't see who they all were. And on the Buy Me a Coffee app, there's loads of people have sent me bits of money on there, and it might seem something really small, but it all does add up and really help. I'm going to show you guys in another video what I've done with the money, because I set up a separate bank account. I mean, I've only been paid out once so far for the advertising, that, you know, the adverts that you guys have to endure, and I know that's a bit of a pain, but it helps everybody that does this a little bit. So I've been paid out once so far for that. So with that money and the money that people have been chipping in for Buy Me a Coffee and the super thanks, I've done something with that money, which is to help me go on a trip to Portugal with Helmet Head. But I'll explain all that in another video. I don't want this to be too long already. So basically, thank you so much to everybody supporting me, commenting, and basically enjoying this nonsense, because basically this is just a guy that hasn't got time to do this. So I don't know how I really manage it, really. All the gear and no idea. But I just enjoy doing it, and I like sharing all this stuff with you guys. You know, it's like going on a trip and coming home, or going to visit your parents and showing them a photo album. Well, this is basically what you are to me. You know, I'm showing you guys what I'm up to. I will mention at this point, I am going to mention this in another video, but going back to the Buy Me a Coffee, a guy called Tony Beasley, I think his name is, sent me 50 quid. That just blew my mind. I got a bit emotional riding my bike in Portugal with Helmet Head, and it came up on my phone when I stopped in a garage. He sent me 50 quid, 25 coffees, 50 quid. Couldn't believe it. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to show you what I do with this money. So anyway, grab some beers out the fridge, or a cup of Lapsang Souchong, or a Lady Grey. Don't bother with Earl Grey. And sit down, and I hope you enjoy what I've cobbled together for my 100th video. So I think that'll do. So I want to keep this. You know what I'm like, I go on and on and on. So that'll do. Thank you very much. And I'm going to try get this one out before Friday and do one for Friday. That might not happen. So Fridays might be late. This might go out Friday. Who knows? I'm making it up as I go along. I'm also meant to be at work. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. Love you all.
They say it was true that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. There's a gravity to grace I can't escape, and the trouble with grace, it gives more than it takes. Yeah, I need grace that gives more than it takes. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. The narrow way is not the narrow mind, but the narrow mind feels safer locked inside. I'm seeing colors that I've never seen. Yeah, black and white feels as absurdity. I can't live with eyes of certainty. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Leaving behind empty expectations, letting go of personas I've perfected, leaving behind the bullets that I bury with, letting go of the anger that I'm armored with, and I'm letting go. And I'm letting go. There's a wildfire that's burning in my soul, so baptize me in that fire and let me go. I can hear the silence calling me to live, to leave behind what's dead and be born again. Oh, oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. Oh, I need to be born again. I need to be born again. They say it was true that I was sold, but the trouble with truth is it just don't get old. It's you that I'm seeking when I dive into your eyes. You don't have to put on a face or to impress. Forever I'll be there and I'll walk the way. I'll pray for your love, do not go astray. But you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. I'm a man of action, but I've tried to hold on and stay the night, but you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that. So you started trembling and breaking my heart. For what was good then turned bad later on. But you wanted so much more than that. But you wanted so much more than that.